Always saying, listen, trig identities are fucking piece of shit sometimes, but I'm going to make them easier for you. So we got different functions here, tan and a couple of secs. The first thing we think of is we want to get the same form. So them all in terms of sec. So remember that tan squared, if you remember this, tan squared equals sec squared minus 1. So we're going to replace that here. So this is now sec squared theta minus 1 plus sec squared theta plus 5 sec theta equals 2. Collect like terms. These two go together. 2 sec squared theta. Now plus 5 sec theta, and we'll bring the 2 minus it to this side to create minus 3 equals 0. Now if you notice, the reason I moved everything over to this side and put it in this order is because this is a fucking disguised quadratic. So you can do it with sec, or you can swap sec for y, say let sec theta equal y, but we'll just put it in like this. So let's say 2 sec theta and sec theta go in the brackets like this. We want things to times together to make 3. They're going to add together to make 5. When one of them's times by 4, so we're going to have a 3 there, a 1 there. We're going to plus that shit, minus that shit. And we can say sec theta equals 1/2 sec theta equals minus 3. Now, because this is sec, we can't plug sec into our calculator, but sec is 1/cos, so flip that shit. And we got cos theta equals 2, cos theta equals minus 1/3. Now, this shit cannot happen because cos theta is in between 1 and minus 1, the same as sine theta. But this shit, we can put this shit in our calculator. So theta is going to equal inverse cos of minus 1/3, which the first answer is going to be 109.5. Now, we've got to use the graph to figure out what the next one's going to be. So because it's between 0 and 360, as we see up here, draw a cos graph. You can use a cast diagram, but I much prefer the cos graph. Then we draw a line at minus 1/3, which is there. Calculator is going to give us our first answer there. And then we use the fact that symmetry is working here. 0 to there is 109, so 360 to there is 109. So we're going to do 360 minus 109.5, which is going to give us 250.5. Fucking hell, done.